All right, everybody, today we have a 2009 BMW. My buddy brought it over after he saw my other headlight video, and he said, show me how. And he brought it, and it is pretty damn bad. So here we go. We already wiped it down, and you know what? We don't use that 3M where you sand it down. It's just a total pain in the butt. We're using a compound, if I can get it out of the bottle. All right, there's the compound, 400, heavy cut. You want to use a heavy cut. Same thing that goes on the car, but we're putting it on the headlight in this demonstration. We're putting this to vibrate, just so we can spread it around. Notice we didn't tape off, taking 20 minutes prep time. No, because this is a compound. It can go on the car, so that saves you a lot of time. Now we're putting it on spin. Let's see what it does. There we go, headlight done. Go look at the other one. So we went from that, cloudy and brutal, to that in just one pass with the compound. Headlights are brand new. Sweet, easy, and just make sure you use a wool pink pad. The compound, afterwards we will put some wax. Wax of your choice, protect your light from future UV damage. And there you go. Lights done easy.